What do we learn here today?
You take a picture before you get started. In my genius ways, I was like, all right, positive, track it all the way back. And 2 batteries were flipped. We got a nice little golf cart project to work on, which I've been putting off for too long. These batteries are toast. But one of the good things about on a golf cart, so when you're putting them in, it's pretty hard to mess up.
Does it matter that the negative's on the positive?
This positive here goes directly down to the controller, so it feeds off of that one. All right, last 2 of these, put the strap back on it. Well, that ain't good.
We had the positive going in the positive instead of positive, negative, positive, negative.
Yeah. Back at it again, John.
You just wanted to hang out.
Yeah, I just want to spend a little extra time with you today.
For the record, I did ask that question earlier.
You did. Yeah, it ain't like. I know I made it look easy.
You really did. I was like,
John, what do you think about those batteries?
I thought when you said 60 pounds, that was kind of a stretch. But picking one up, I couldn't even move one without readjusting my stance.
All right, I'm gonna hook it up as is. We can start it. Yep.
Knew it was something easy.
Yeah.
What do you think this car is for?
You can probably get $5,000 for it. It's an older car. It's not like the new ones. Hope to have it fixed for my mother-in-law. She's got a new car in the garage, but she said it's too basic for her. It's boring. So we fixed the old one back up until she decides if she wants to lift the new one or not.
Ready for 4th of July.
I'd have hooked it all up and be like, all right, what did I miss?